Okay, guys, 2019 Toyota RAV4. We got a headlight bulb out. I'm gonna show you guys the bulb is out, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to replace it. So you see this bulb is out, and that bulb is running. So we got a bad bulb here. So we're gonna replace this guy. It should be no more than 10 minutes. So first of all, you need to get a bulb. Get yourself a good bulb. Philip is a good brand. Sylvania is a good brand. So there's a part number on this bulb if you guys need. This is what the bulb is going to look like. It got air notches all around, 3 notches around. So you got to follow those notches. So it should be very simple for you to access this bulb. It's right here. So what you want to do is you want to squeeze on this connector tab here. And you want to remove this connector, okay? It's going to be kind of tough with one hand. So let me manage this somehow, some way. Okay, let me get a pre-loosened out. Okay, attempt number 2. Here it is. So you could even pick it with a pick from right here, and then use a screwdriver to force it down. As you squeeze the connector, it will come off. And you're gonna turn this bulb counterclockwise. Should be very simple to do. And this bulb should come out just like that. So the filament inside is gone, dead. Okay, you also want to inspect this connector. If this connector is burnt, possibility is your bulb is not going to work. So a new bulb, never touched by the glass here, because you're going to put grease from your hand, and that's going to damage the life of your bulb. What you want to do is now try to start from the same angle you took it out. So the earlobes has to drop dead in there, and all you do is twist it back on. Should be no more than 10 minutes if you're a newbie. Take your connector, stick it back, make sure it doesn't come out. Let's try the bulb now. Should work. There you go. Okay. If you want to do both together, it's all up to you. Buy 2 bulbs. This bulb is about $16. If you get a Sylvania, it might cost you about the same. But that's how simple this job is. Thank you for watching.